Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a picture transparent in PowerPoint. This is a really useful skill if you want to blend images into your background or give your slides a clean, professional look. Let's jump right in. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and load the presentation you want to work on. Go to the slide where your image is located, then click on the picture you want to make transparent. Once your picture is selected, look at the top of your screen and click on the Picture Format tab. Here, you'll see several image editing tools. Find the option labeled Transparency and click on it. You'll notice a set of preset transparency levels appear. Just hover over them to preview how each one looks. Click the one that fits best with your slide. If you want more control, choose Picture Transparency options for custom adjustments. Here, you can use a slider to fine-tune the exact level of transparency until it looks perfect. And that's it. You've successfully made your image transparent in PowerPoint. This simple trick helps make your slides look more polished and visually appealing. Don't forget to save your presentation once you're done. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other PowerPoint tutorials for more helpful tips.